Hey, what's going on, my friends? Brett here and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you my top 2 websites where you're going to be paid 10 to 20 hours per day in transcribing. And before we go into the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online, and we're going to be talking more about marketing, motivation, and mindset, because these are the 3 things that you need to learn in order to be successful online. And if you're interested in this type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's get on to the video. So this is the 2 websites that I highly recommend because I'm actually in it. I just do this on my spare time, right? So this is what you need to check out if you are into, if you are a stay-home mom or dad, that you want something to do on your spare time, or if you want to make money on the side. So, and if you are skilled at typing, like if you type fast, a little bit about grammar, and then you speak English, right? So because mostly this is going to be an English speaking job that you're going to get into. So my number 1 recommendation is rev.com. So this is the website. I'm going to be putting the link on the description down below. So rev.com. This is probably one of the most recommended site if you are a marketer, right? If you are making a video, and then if you want to transcribe your video into a blog post, or if you want to create a subtitle or caption on your video, this is the site that we go into, right? And it's funny because this is the site I'm using, and this is the site I'm working as a part-time job, and it's great. I love them, and what I like about this is that it's so flexible that you can basically do this on your spare time. Like if you have like an hour or 2 hours a day, like if you have nothing to do, this is a best way for you to just make a little bit money on the side. And what I like about this is that the customer service here are good. The people that I work here are very, I like them, and they're very, very, very helpful. And there's no pressure here, right? That's what I like about this. There's no pressure here. You don't have to, really to pressure you. So this is my number 1 site that if you are into transcribing, so basically what you do is just you listen to audio and then you type it in. You just say, hey, what they're saying, just type it in. There's a lot of, there's a tool that you're going to need to download so that, it's easier for you to transcribe. So if you can type, if you are a type of person that types maybe 500 words in a minute, you could probably make a full-time income with Rev, right? Because if you type fast, you can transcribe a lot more videos, audios. Like you can double the speed, then just type it in, and you're gonna make probably a full-time income doing that. All right, so rev.com is the first website that I highly recommend. The other one is this, Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me, to be honest, they pay a little bit more than rev.com, and I just recently found them out, and they're really good. They're more focused on the states and the Northern America, like here in Canada. So but I think they're open in other countries as long as you can speak English really well. So Transcribe Me is one website that I recommend. They pay more, a little bit more. So if you can, again, if you're a type of person that does have a lot of time and types really fast and understand English really well, like if you know grammar really well, you can make a whole bunch of money just transcribing. And this is the website, transcribeme.com. I'll be putting in the link on the description. So this is it, guys. If you want to stay home, make money on the side, or if you are in a country like in the Philippines, where I come from, man, if you can make $20 or maybe $1, $10 an hour, that's already a lot of money. That's already a lot of money. You can stay home all you want, or you can buy a brand new car with that kind of money. This is it for today. I really hope you get value from this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, so Brett here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.